nibavuga ireme ry'uburezi ujye uhita wumva Happy Kids School. Iri shuri riherereye hano i Gahanga iruhande rw'isoko ukase ku muhanda werekeza kuri Cricket neza neza imbere y'urusengero rwa ADP. Kushaka ibindi bisobanuro wahamagara kuri izi nimero zikurikira: 0788 30 66 83.
How are you? How do you feel? Okay, are you okay? Yes. Okay, we are going to study mathematics. Do you like mathematics? Yes. Okay, do you like mathematics? Yes. Okay, let us start to sing one song in order to be motivated. Do you understand? Yes. Do you know how to sing? Yes. Okay, let us sing. Good morning today. Good morning today. How are you today? How are you today? I'm very, very thank you. I'm sitting down. I'm sitting down. I'm sitting down. I'm sitting down. Good morning today. Today. How are you today? I'm very, very thank you. I'm sitting down. I'm sitting down. I'm sitting down. Okay, good clap. Okay, sit down. So we are going to study the subject which says mathematics. Comparing numbers using equal, less than, or greater than. Do you understand? Yes. Do you know this sign is? Yes. Here is equal. Repeat. Equal. Greater than. Less than. Equal. Greater than. Less than. Equal, greater than, less than, equal, greater than, less than, equal, greater than, less than. Okay, I need anyone who come to repeat these signs. Yes? Okay, come, Cynthia, come. Go in blackboard, take a stick and go to touch to the signs and tell me the name.
Equal.
Yes. Yes. Appreciate him to the Corinthian. Another. Yes. Shami, come.
Equal.
Yes. Congratulations. Another one. Go to sit. Yes. Agante, come quickly. Yes.
Equal.
Appreciate him. Another Fabrice, come quickly. With confidence, come.
Equal.
Yes. Okay, appreciate him, Janti. Come with confidence. Come, it is easy. Yes. Good. Boy in Damkundarisa, come quickly. Yes. Okay, appreciate him. Honorine, come. Okay, appreciate him. Yes, Gloria, come.
Equal.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, good. Priya, quickly.
Equal.
Yes.
Less
Okay, congratulations. Come, Gasaro, come. Take a stick and go in the blackboard. Go fast.
Equal.
Yes.
Greater than. Less than.
Okay. I appreciate him. Eric, Mutisha, come quickly. Eric, go fast. Take a stick.
Equal.
Start, no problem. Start here. Equal.
Equal. Greater than. Less than.
Okay, I appreciate him. Yes, Paula, come.
Equal. Greater than. Less than.
Good. Okay, let us repeat it together. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Equal.
Equal.
Greater than. Less than. Equal. Greater than. Less than. Okay, let us appreciate. So here I have 6 cups. You see 6 cups? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do you understand? In right arm I have 3 cups. Do you understand? In left arm I have another 3. Do you understand? Yes. This cups is equal. Do you understand? Here I have 3 cups and here I have 3. It is It is Okay, good. Let us show you another example. Here I have a notebook. So in left arm, I have 3 notebook. In right, I have 2 notebook. Yes? Number of notebook in left arm is greater than number of notebook in right arm. Why? Because here it is more. Yes, this notebook is more than this. Do you understand? Okay, let us I show you another example. Look at it. Yes, I have 3 pencils. Do you understand? Here I have 1 pencil. Here I have 2 pencils. Okay, here in left arm. And here is right arm. Okay, number of pencil in right arm is greater than number of pencil in left arm. Do you understand? Okay. I think you know to compare using equal, greater than, and less than. All of you look on the blackboard, this example. Do you understand? Here I have 1, 2. This is a cup. Do you understand? This is a cup. Here I have 2 cups. Here I have another cup. Yes? We are going to compare. Do you understand? How to compare these cups? Yes? Who is more? Who is more? Here I have is equal. Do you understand? Here is equal. Here I have 2 cups and here I have 2 cups. It is equal. 2 is equal 2. Do you understand? 2 is equal 2. Do you understand? Another example. Here I have 3 pots. Here I have 2 pots. Do you understand? We are going to compare. Yes? 1, 2, 3. Yes? 1, 2. Who is more? 3 is greater than 2. Do you understand? We are using greater than. Yes? Okay, let us. I give you another example. 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 Here I have 1 comparing 1. Who come to solve this question? Yes, Cynthia, come. Come on, fast, fast. He said,
1 is equal to 1.
good. Perfectly. Another example. Here I have 3 comparing to 1. Who come to solve that question? Here, Fabrice, come quickly. Fabrice. Explain.
3 is greater than 1.
Okay. Another. Shami, are you ready? Yes, here I have 4. Here I have 6. Yes, Shami, come to compare that number. Read.
4 is less than 6.
Good. Congratulations. The 4 is less than 6. Do you understand? Another. Come here. Is who? Yes. Aganza, come. 6 comparing to 7. Take chalks. Take chalks. Right. Yes, good. Read. Starting here.
6
Yes.
is less than 7.
Good. Congratulations. 6 is less than 7. Yes, another. Gasana, come. Come quickly and give you an example. 8 comparing to 10. Take chalks. Read.
Greater than 10.
No. 8 is not greater than 10. Do you understand? Here, 8 is less than 10. Here, correct it very well. Good. Congratulations. Here, Honorine, come to solve another question. 9 comparing to 9. What is the answer? Right answer? Read. Speak loudly.
9 is equal to 9.
Yes, again.
9 is equal to 9.
Good. Clap for him. Another. Priya, come. 7 comparing to 3. Take. Right, clean. Again. Say.
7 is less than 3.
No, it is not less than. 7 is less than 3. Here is good, yes? Here is greater than. Do you understand? Again.
7 is greater than 3.
Okay, good. Congratulations. Boy, Ndamukunda Elisa, come to solve this question. 10 comparing to 8. Come. Okay, read.
10 is greater than 8.
Yes, 10 is greater than 8. Congratulations, boy. Okay, let us show you examples. Here, say that 1 compare to 1. Yes? Here is 1. You see here? And here is 1. If you have 1 bananas and you have another 1 bananas, it is it? We are putting equal here. Do you understand? Here I have 3 numbers. Here I have 1. Do you understand? If you compare, here 3 is more than 1. Do you understand? Okay, 3 is greater than 1. Do you understand? Here I have another example. 4 comparing to 6. 4 is less than 6. 4 is less than 6. 4 is less than 6. Okay. Do you know how to compare?
Yeah.
All of you?
Yes.
Do you know how to compare?
Yeah.
Okay, if you know how to compare, hands up your hand. Okay, I appreciate him. Okay, this lesson is end, yes?
Yes.
This lesson is end. We are continue tomorrow. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, goodbye.
Goodbye.
Yes, goodbye. See you again.